In this session, you will learn how to set the scope of where to adopt and update openings, whether it be in the entire model or within a specific part or level. If you want to create and update openings in a floor or ceiling plan, open a 2D view and reduce the visible area by activating the crop view if necessary. This will allow ConVoid to adopt and update openings based on the displayed active view. You can also adopt and update openings in your entire model or just a part of it. Herefore, open a 3D view, activate and adjust the section box to reduce the visible section. ConVoid will now automatically adapt openings according to the elements visible in the view. Now you're all set to move on to the next step.